Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, and y'all know how we do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into the best deals that you can do this week. So the first deal that I want to get into is actually on the Motrin. So this week, the Motrin is buy one, get one for $10.99. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up a total of 3 of them because I want to get to the $30 mark so we can use this 10 off of 30 digital coupon. We're going to be stacking up some savings in this deal. We also have our Activate Rewards for Spend 30, Get 10 that you can submit back to as well. So that $30 before the sale is really important for both of those offers. So we got 3 of these Motrin for buy one, get one for $10.99. That's going to total us up to $32.97 before our sale. We're only going to pay half of that because of the buy one, get one sale. So we'll be at $16.48. And then we're going to save $10 with that digital coupon off of 30. It'll make the final cost in store $6.48 out of pocket. And once you submit over to Activate Rewards, you'll get back another $10, making all 3 of these a $3.51 moneymaker. Yes, y'all. And then you know it would not be me if I did not want to do a test on these Motrin. So I printed out 2 $2 printable coupons from the Motrin website because I want to see if they will work with this deal. If those 2 coupons will work with the 10 off of 30, then at the register, I'm only going to pay out $2.48 and then I'll submit over to Activate Rewards for $10. So that additional savings right there will turn this into a $7.51 moneymaker. So if you want to do this next deal at a store like Target, this would actually be a freebie, but I'm not going to Target anytime soon, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it here. So the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits that are $12.99 regular price, we have a $6 digital coupon plus $6 back on Ibotta. So that'll make the final cost just 99 cents. The Scrubbing Bubbles products are on sale this week for buy 2, save $3, and the price on these is $4.99. So you can pick up 2 of these for $9.98. You'll save $3 with that sale. That'll bring you down to $6.98, and then get back $2 from Ibotta, so $1 on each one. That'll make the final cost on these $4.98 or $2.49 each. So it's really like a buy one, get one free sale after the offer because you're paying the price of 1 for 2. The Arm & Hammer are buy one, get one free this week for $5.99. We have $1 digital coupons and $1 printable coupons if you printed these from coupons.com. So you can pick up 2 of them for $5.99. Use 2 of the coupons, so 1 digital, 1 printable if you have that. That'll make the final cost for 2 of them just $1.99 each. So I actually put one of my bottles of Arm & Hammer back because I looked on Instagram and saw someone post a much better deal on the Arm & Hammer Deep Clean, and this is the big bottles at Kroger this week. So if you have a Kroger, you definitely want to stop by there and get the big bottles of Deep Clean because they're buy one, get one for $5.99, and we have $4 back on Ibotta. And we also have the $1 coupons, and there's a $2 rebate for those. So I got those for about $1 a bottle for the big bottles of Deep Clean at Kroger. So do keep that in mind if you have the option of shopping both. Special thanks to my sis Coupon with T. If you guys are not following her, make sure that you do. She texted me this deal on these Sentiva mopping cloths. So I'm going to go on ahead and pick up a couple of these. I think I'm going to max this deal out. The max that you could do is 4. I'll have to do them on separate transactions though because we're going to use a $2 off of 2 digital coupon. But if you want to just pick up 2 of those will be $8.80 since they're on sale for $4.40 each. We have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that'll bring you down to $6.80 and then $5 back on swag bucks. So that'll make the final cost for these just 90 cents each. We have a new aisle rebate for the Cretors Popcorn. If you live in True BOGO in Florida, you are in luck with this deal because what you can do is pick up a total of 2 bags. That's $3.99 BOGO, and then you'll get 1 for free with the sale and 1 for free after you submit back on aisle. Now, since I live in half BOGO, I'm just going to pick up 1 bag for $1.99, and then I'll get $1.99 back from aisle, making that bag free $99. Next, though, I'm going to be grabbing is on the Nature's own small loaves. So we have a 50% offer back on Fetch Rewards on these. So we will get back $1.50 on each one. So I'm gonna pick up two. They're not on sale, so that's gonna be $5.98. I'll get back $2.98 from Fetch, but they also have 75-cent peelies on them. So that'll make my cost after all of that just 75 cents per loaf. Next, I'm going to be grabbing one of these good jams. I'm excited about this because I love products that have no added sugar. This is keto friendly. So this is $6.29. It's not on sale, but I have a Social Nature offer that I just signed up for today that'll give me back the full cost of this. So this will be free $99. The Pete and Jerry organic eggs are on sale for $4.99 this week. We have a $2 printable coupon from their website, making our in-store cost $2.99. Couple different ways that you can do this deal on the Ollie Sleep Vitamins. So we have two different rebates on Ibotta, giving back $1.60 for these. So we also have a $3 digital coupon that you want to clip. So if you get these gummies that are on clearance at my store for $6.99, that means in store you'll pay $3.99 and then get back $1.60, making it $2.39 for one. Or you could get these smaller sleep gummies. These are also included. It'll be just $1.39 for one of these after those offers. Now we have another good deal that is really good. If you are in True BOGO, Florida is really in luck this week with these rebates. So the Diana's Bananas, I'm not going to grab these because I tried these recently and didn't really care for them. They're not really my jam. But if you like this product, this is an awesome deal. So these are buy one, get one for $5.39. And then we have a buy one, get one offer on aisle. So in True BOGO in Florida, you can pick up two of them. You will get one free with the sale and then one free from aisle, making two boxes completely free $99. If you're in half BOGO, it's going to work a little bit differently for you because the price on these is going to be $269 each. So you're going to pay the $269 each. You'll get back $269. So it'll make the final price for them like $1.35 each. The San Pellegrino is buy two, get one free this week, and they are priced at $6.49. This is the deal you want to do fast because this Ibotta rebate is going to expire soon. But we're going to pick up a total of three of them. That is $19.47 before the sale, minus that $6.49 for the sale, and then minus getting back $2 on each one on Ibotta. Final cost is going to be $6.98 for three. That makes them only $2.32 each. So it's really like only having to pay for one, but getting a total of three. So this next deal I already did last week on TikTok and Instagram. If you are not following me on TikTok and Instagram, make sure that you are, because when we get new coupons added after I come to the store on Wednesday, if I need to post video updates for more deals, I usually do it in short form content on those platforms. But I want to show you guys this deal I did on the Cheerios because this worked out really good. I picked up two boxes of these for $6.99 that we have the 75-cent Ibotta rebates on, plus two of the Heart Nut rebates that we have $1 back on. So these are the four boxes that I picked up, and the reason I picked up $6.99 boxes instead of $5 boxes is because I wanted to get over $27 worth, because I also have some $1 off of two General Mills coupons that are gonna come off in this deal, and I need to get at I need to be up to $27 to use the $5 coupon and both of those $1 coupons. So $6.99 is perfect because that puts us at $27.96. We are only going to pay half of that after the buy one get one sale, so that puts us at $13.98. Then we have the $5 coupon and the two $1 coupons, so 1 and 1. We'll pay $6.98 for all four boxes at the register, but then we're also going to get back $2 for these right here. We're going to get back $1.50 from these right here. And these also put me over for what I needed to get $3 back from Fetch Rewards as well for that breakfast like threshold that they have. And if you don't want to factor in Fetch at all, even $3.48 for four of these large size boxes, that's a stock up price. And another option for this deal is the Ratio granola. I really like this granola. And of course, it is higher in protein, lower in carbs. But you could add this in and mix and match with those Cheerios, and it will count for that 5 off of 25 coupon and the fetch offer for spend 35, get back free. I am so excited about this deal on the Tarani syrup because this is something I use every single day. So these are buy one, get one for $5.19, and we have a $2.50 insert coupon. So after our coupon at the register, we should pay out $2.69 for two. That makes them like $1.35 each. A great price. Next, we're going to do a Conagra deal. We've been doing these deals for weeks, so by now I'm sure you know how they work. But if you're new, I want to go ahead and break it down and explain it. So in this deal, what we're going to be doing is utilizing these 5 off of 20 coupons for Conagra products. And there's a lot of different products that are included in this coupon that are on buy one, get one this week. So just kind of go through the coupon and see what you want to pick up. I decided I wanted to get 3 different items that are included. The first one I want to get is the Mrs. Buttersworth. If you don't like Mrs. Buttersworth, you can also get the Log Cabin. Then I decided I also wanted to get some Vlasic products. I'm going to get some relish, that's $3.19, and a kosher dill pickle, that's $3.79. And I'm also going to get 2 bags of the Boom Chicka Pop for $4 each. So because I have 2 of these 5 off of 20 coupons, my goal was to get to the $25 mark so that both of them would come off. If you only have one of the $5 coupons, only pick up $20 worth of products. So you wouldn't need to pick up this much. You can omit one of these products and keep your total at 20. But this totals up to $26.75. I am only going to pay half of that with the sale. So at the register, I'm going to be at $13.37 before my coupons. Minus that $10 in coupons, I'm going to pay $3.37 for the 2 syrups, the 3 Vlasic products, and the Boom Chicka Pop. So that is going to be 7 products for this $3.37, makes them only 48 cents each, which is a great deal. And of course, if you're in Florida in True BOGO, don't pick up your items in odd numbers like this, pick them up in even numbers. Another way you can do this Conagra deal is by picking up all syrups. So if you want to just get stocked up on syrups, and syrup does last a long time, you can really do that for cheap with these 2 coupons. So of course, if you have 1 coupon, pick up $20 worth. I picked up $25 worth of syrup so that I could use both of those coupons. So I got a total of 4 of the Log Cabin syrup plus 1 of the Mrs. Butterworth. That totaled us up to $25.85 before the sale. Then we're going to divide that in 2 because we're only going to pay half of that after the sale. Minus that $10 in coupons, it's going to be $2.82 for all 5. That makes these only 58 cents a piece. The Jenny O ground turkey is buy one, get one. I love when ground turkey is buy one, get one. So it's always a good price when you can get 2 for $6. And then these Greenfield lunch kits that were on sale last week are still on sale this week, 2 for $4. We have the 2 off of 2 digital coupon that makes them just $1 each. And we also have a fetch offer that's like spend 10, get something. So when you do that deal a couple times or just buy at least $10 worth, so if you pick up at least 5, you will get that money back from Fetch as well. The 4505 pork rinds are on sale for $3.50. We have a $1 digital coupon making it $2.50 plus $1 back on Ibotta, making it just $1.50 for the bag. The Tropicana orange juice is on sale 2 for $6, and we have a $1.50 digital coupon making one only $1.50. A really good deal on the Breyers and the Talenti this week. If you have this fetch offer still for spend 20, get back $4. So you can pick up a total of $20 worth. I decided to do 2 of the Breyers and 2 of the Talenti. These are priced at $5.99. So that totals up to $23.96 for all 4 items before the sale. Of course, we're only going to pay half of that. So at the register, $11.98 is due before your coupons. But we have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon for the Talenti. And then I used $2.50 tear pack coupons that I got from Kroger for the Breyers. That took off another $3. Now, if you don't have those, of course, no worries. Go on the Breyers website and sign up for their list, and you can get, like, they usually send out $1 coupons. Sometimes, if you're lucky, it's a little bit more, but usually it's about $1. So you can save $2 that way. But $11.98 minus the $5 in coupons that I had, I paid out $6.98 for all 4, and then you get back the $4 from Fetch Rewards, making the final price for all 4 of these $2.98 or 74 cents each, which is a great price. The Rosina meatballs I'm not picking up right now, but these are buy one, get one for $10.79. So one of them will be $5.39. We do have a $1.25 digital coupon, so you can grab a bag for $4.14. Now it's time to announce the winner of last week's giveaway for the Shea Moisture Bundle. The winner is Valeria Valdez 7369. Congratulations to you. And please send me an email at couponingwithstar@gmail.com with your mailing address so I can get that bundle of goodies over to you, and I hope you enjoy it. And stay tuned for more giveaways, everyone, because I will be having a lot more in this Wednesday Publix video. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I picked up, and everything worked beautifully at checkout. So all of my digitals came off, including the $10 coupon for the Motrin that came off with those 2 paper coupons. Remember, when you have paper coupons and digitals, to always scan the paper coupons first. So it doesn't matter if you go to self-checkout or if you're with the cashier, you can type in your phone number, but don't press enter on it until all of your paper coupons go through. Once all of those go through, then you can go ahead and attach yourself to the transaction. So that was $64.66. After all of those coupons came off, I saved $128 in that transaction. So a lot of savings there, but of course it did not stop because we got back $20 from Ibotta. I got $18 worth of rebates plus a $1 General Mills bonus and a $1 San Pellegrino bonus. We are getting back $10 from Activate Rewards for the Motrin. Got back $7.27 from Fetch Rewards. We got $6.29 coming back from Social Nature. And I also got $1.99 back from Aisle. So that makes the final cost for everything just $19.11. So under $20 for this cart, I think is a pretty good deal. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.